This is Mr. Lyons. And
I'm
who
really
else?
waiting to hear those words.
Who else we got?
Miss Lyons and then, Gazuli.
Yes, Your
I just
Honor.
wrote.
Here on the City of Detroit versus Elkeet Gazuli matter.
Okay, did I get the Gazuli part right? Huh?
Yes, you actually pronounced it perfect. A lot of people don't.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Are you an attorney? Are you an attorney, ma'am?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
What's your name?
My name is Julia Gazuli.
Oh, you're Julia Gazuli,
And she's also.
and you're also appearing for yourself then.
No, I'm appearing for my brother, Elkeet Gazuli.
Oh, I guess you're not getting paid for that, huh?
And the sibling discount, unfortunately, Your Honor.
Right.
Yeah, we all had those. This is the prosecutor.
I don't know where this, okay, I see.
I have it.
He's been allegedly been bad. All right.
Yeah.
So let's wait on, you can talk to the prosecutor about it if you like.
I was gonna offer a 6-month delayed sentence with drug screening and drug program.
Well,
You said 6 months delayed sentence and you said drug program?
Right, and drug screening.
Would I be able to set this up for a pretrial?
Sure.
Just so I can get a chance to look at the discovery, because I asked for it in my appearance. And I know the courts are overwhelmed and slammed with requests, so I just wanted to get a chance to look at that.
You know, a lot of defense attorneys do that. You put your appearance to your discovery request to the court, but not to the city. So
Yes, I did. Yeah, I did both. I sent in my appearance through 36th District, the website, and then I also sent a discovery, actually filed a waiver of arraignment and a discovery request, but I'm not sure if the court has received that.
anybody else? We're waiting on the court reporter. We have Miss Lyons, or is that Miss Lyons? Joaquina, did I get the concept right?
Yeah.
All right, I see your hand is raised. I can't hear you. Your system is not coming through clear.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes. Good afternoon, ma'am. Your device is not clear. We don't have a good connection. What date would you like, Counselor, on Gazuli? On Gazuli.
Yes, you said what date would I like for the pretrial?
Yes.
The soonest available, Your Honor. I know, my December and
I don't kind of get much discovery, I'll tell you that. This is a misdemeanor.
yeah,
And just a ticket that, and I can't say this for sure, but you have the ticket that has the allegation on there. I don't know if there's any audio, video, or anything like that. If you can, you'd be full, in your right to request that from them, but other than that, I don't know how much more you're gonna get. But audio, video would tell a lot, I'm sure. Or dispel a lot.
Mhm. And then the 6 months, that's under 74, correct? The delayed sentence?
Yeah, I'm interested, I'm inclined to offer your client the same thing that we give everybody else. If it appears, but still, a lot of people have drug problems, but if it appears that, we can send them to drug court. If you want to do it that way.
No,
You want to go to drug court?
No.
No?
No drug court.
Well, he might need it. But I'll tell you this, the city attorney wants him to take all these classes, and I'm inclined to just send him to drug court anyway. Because I just don't want to supervise that. I mean, if he needs some help, he needs to get it.
Is he getting any help?
I don't know if he's using it or not. I just know that the allegations,
No, I'm
what the allegations
attorney,
say.
so if he getting help.
Yeah, I understand based on the allegations, but no, he is not using. So I don't think drug court is necessary.
The only thing is that coming from a sister that has love and maybe in denial? Or is that coming from something that for a fact? And that second question would be very, very hard to answer unless you're with him 24 hours a day and you know all of his whereabouts and all of that kind of stuff. So I don't really expect you to have an answer for that. I'm sure the first question, you have a lot of immense amount of love for your brother.
Yes, Your Honor. But if he had a drug problem, I definitely wouldn't. I would go with your recommendation. I don't want to see a loved one, especially someone as close as my brother, have to struggle with addiction if that were the case. I would want to help him, and that's the way I would express my love in that situation.
I understand that, but yeah. What I'm saying is that the ultimate question is, how do you actually know? That is the biggest question. Many times, everything.
Was he just so?
Huh?
Was he so?
I don't know what he's doing, and I'm not asking. It's not my position to ask him or her what he's doing. I'm just saying. Many times we all know somebody that has these problems, and the best thing they're able to do is cover things up and to be in denial of the rest of the world. And that's the only issue. We'll figure out where it's going to go in a minute. Let's get Shanice Taylor. I have you, John Goodall. Well, they don't have any audio, so they're not hearing what I'm saying.
John Goodall.
But John Goodall is here, and then Shanice Taylor seems like she's in the wrong room. There's Shanice Taylor. Can you unmute yourself, please? John Goodall left?
Okay. Yeah, John Goodall.
Okay, this is all right. And we're going to see. Let's open up. I didn't see you this morning.
They drained because they had big downstairs.
All right.
Good morning, everyone. Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins. While court is in session, please keep your backgrounds quiet and clear. Sit back, wait for your names to be called. Also, if you're in a vehicle, there's no driving while court is in session. Also, there's no talking, eating, drinking, gum chewing, walking around any kind. There's no smoking. Please remain properly dressed at all times. Thank you.
And take your hat off, Mr. Gray.
Okay, Mr. Gary.
Mr. Gary, I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Who's that all masked up in here? That's is that Miss Lyons? You didn't have to put your mask on, sir.
Okay.
Not unless your passenger, not unless your driver makes you do that. I don't know. That's between you guys.
No.
Okay. Trying to test it and make sure it.
We're ready to go. Good afternoon, Ms. Fulmer.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. How are you today? And to your courtroom, good afternoon.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm doing all right. If it wasn't for bad luck, I wouldn't have any at all, though. But
Oh, no, that's not good.
you know,
Don't speak
everything.
those things into the universe, Judge. Do not speak those
I mean,
things into
it's
the
true.
universe.
You know, it's the truth. This is past weekend. Anything that could go wrong pretty much did go wrong. So, but
No, because you know why? You're here. The fact that you're on that bench, it
yes,
could be worse. So,
yes. Oh, no question
anything that
about it.
could have
That's
gone
why I'm
wrong
not.
did not go wrong.
Yeah, well, you're right.
Shut up, fool. I'm trying to hear this guy. Can't hear what he's talking about.
So you gotta move. I gotta think the attendants that don't leave. I gotta go get something. All right. Let's get going. Good afternoon, Ms. Williams-Law. Are we ready to go?
Yes, Your Honor. Good
All right,
afternoon.
we're gonna start with the city of Detroit versus Gregory Gary, case number SP 1190951. Mr. Gary provided valid documentation, so I'm going to dismiss this matter. All right?
Thank you very
Okay.
much, Your Honor.
Valid docs. All right. If there's nothing further, you have any questions, sir?
No, sir.
All right. There's nothing. You have a great day, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
New people. All right. Miss Taylor, Shanice Taylor, you there? I don't know if you're in the right courtroom or not. I don't think you're in the right courtroom. Let me look up and see.
Hello,
Yes, hello?
I'm Danica Lamb.
Okay, I have you. I have Shanice Taylor. Everybody mute their devices except Miss Taylor.
Okay.
What's your middle name?
Carnella, Carnella.
I don't know what you're doing here. I don't see you have a case. You got something like that?
Yeah, it said I'm headed out today at 1:30.
Landlord tenant case?
No.
Hey, listen, Mr. Goodall, you gotta put your device on mute. Miss Lamb, hit *6.
Yeah.
I'm gonna mute everybody. All right, so do you have a case number, ma'am?
No, I can go get it.
All right, go get the case number and come on back. All right.
Okay.
You said Mr. Goodall?
Let's call this case,
Yes, I'm here.
I know you're there. I muted you too, until I call your name.
I have it.
Okay,
Your Honor, this is Shanice Taylor. I have the case number.
what's the case number?
The case number is SP 11942752, and they got the last two initials is OT.
That's, you're Goodman Taylor, yes.
Yes.
All right. All right. I'm gonna mute your device until I call your name.
Okay.
All right. Oh, yeah. So let's call this case, this is the city of Detroit versus, what is that, Alkid Gazule?
Yes, Your Honor, that is correct.
Pronounced all of them correct? All right, this case number U60301621, appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning. Julie Gazuli appearing on behalf of the defendant, Alkeed Gazuli, who is actually right next to me.
All right. Good afternoon, sir. State your name for the record, please.
My name is Alkeed Gazuli.
Okay, and can you put your P number on the record, Counselor?
Yes, P84553.
So are you older or younger?
I'm older, 2
You're
years.
older?
Yeah.
2 years?
Yep.
And why aren't you? Are you in law schools or something, sir?
No, I actually graduated as a mechanic. I went to tech school, and I have my associate's degree in science, applied science.
He's a BMW technician.
Is he? He didn't want to follow in his big sister's footsteps, huh?
No, he saw all the suffering his big sister did, so he's like, I'm going to do something less.
Oh, I see. Well, all right. Well, listen, we already discussed off the record. So the offer here today is pleading guilty as charged, and that'd be a 6-month delayed sentence. You know, I told you have your substance abuse programs and random urinalysis testing in that 6 months. You indicated that you wanted a pretrial date in order to get some discovery. I can definitely give you that date. You, go ahead.
Yeah, Your Honor, I got a chance and I spoke to him, and if the plea is still there, we'll accept the 6-month delay with substance abuse classes and random drug screenings for the 6 months. And then after the 6 months and there's no issues, it's under 7411, so it would just.
Well, let me stop. Let me stop you. The first and foremost, it's drastically changed here. So again, I'm inclined and to get him some treatment. Let me ask you a question, sir. Do you need treatment?
At this moment, sir, I am not using at all.
All right.
At
So
this very moment,
no. Let's stop right there. I am going to refer him to drug treatment court and take this out of my hands. And hopefully, sir, I'm helping you out. But the main component of it, it's going to all center around you. It's not going to center around your sister, which I'm sure she's gonna be an immense support system if you allow her, and it's going to center around yourself completely, though, and it's going to be your issue. So we're going to call up, already Ms. Nash is on it, and we'll take it from there. If you qualify, great. I wish you the best of luck in the program. If they have certain criteria that would make you ineligible for the program, but at the end of the day, you know, this is something that I look at as being super serious, and I also do not accept the fact that you are going to be totally clean without any assistance, and taking those things very seriously. So that's why, Ms. Gazuli, I asked you those few questions. And I know it's just it's a sort of a disappointing thing, especially for a loved one. But it's just a fact of life, and you know, can you beat it? Of course you can, but is it going to be difficult? Of course it will, but it's all on you. So we're going to wait to see that. If he doesn't qualify, I'll give him that offer that the city attorney has laid out, And if he does qualify, I will wish him the best of luck.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
We'll pass the matter.
All right, thank you so much.
Ms. Lyons. Are you there, ma'am? You're gonna have to get a better device. It's not working out.
You can't hear me at all?
I can hear you barely. Let's see if that'll work. It's still not, it's not great.
What a speaker.
Let's see if we can work with this.
Should I call the courtroom on a phone?
Yes, you can do that. Can you hear her, Miss Williams Law?
Your Honor, very faint. I'm not sure. She would have to be kind of yelling through the whole, I don't know if you're gonna have her speak much, but it would need to be louder.
Well, you're gonna have to speak up louder. We'll try it. If not, we'll give you a number to call in. But let's call the case. Case says this is the city of Detroit versus Joaquina Danielle Lyons, case number SP 1191620, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearances for the record, please. That's for your attorney.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Allison for my P60236, appearing on behalf of Ms. Lyons. Please state your name for the record, Ms. Lyons.
Wakania Lyons.
Okay, I'm sorry about mispronouncing your first name, Joaquina Lyons. I got it. All right, we can hear you better. So the offer today would be to plead as charged to the allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, and they'll dismiss the no insurance misdemeanor. I'll fine you $240 for that, and I'll dismiss the case immediately upon payment. But you do also have a right to a trial. I can give you a trial date if you want to contest the matter, or I can put you in a breakout room to discuss the facts and circumstances behind the case with Mrs. Fulmer. What would you like to do, ma'am?
I just want to get it over with. I'll pay the $240 just to get it over with. And drop the misdemeanor on the no insurance, please.
I didn't hear you.
I will go with your first offer to drop the misdemeanor and pay the $240, and you say that will be dropped as well, correct?
Yes. Now, we have to make an accurate factual basis for that, and part of that would be to acknowledge the fact that you actually let someone drive this 2015 Chrysler and that it was yours, and that you knew that person didn't have a driver's license before you let them drive it. Can you do that, ma'am?
Yes.
All right, so let's go with the case. Can you rate? I need to see.
Can you see me?
Let's see.
That was something else I was trying to figure out. I can see everybody, but I can't see myself.
So you have a start video button next to that audio button that you can start your video up.
Oh.
There, it should be started now. It should be started now. There you are. You were on earlier. Can you raise your right hand, please?
I know, but it just went out.
Pardon me?
I'm sorry.
Can you raise your right hand?
I didn't hear you.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right. So what it tells me is she intentionally cut her video off because you had your video on when you first came in the room. I saw you. And then when I told you to turn it on, you acted as if you didn't know. But then when you turned it on, finally, you were kind of, about your appearance, I'm thinking, or what?
No,
I don't know that it was intentional, Your Honor. Ma'am, Ms. Lyons, don't speak, please.
Don't worry about it, Ms. Fulmer. It's no big deal. I'm just.
I don't want people getting discombobulated and afraid.
No, it's not gonna It's not gonna get that way. I won't let it. I just, I wanted to have a little fun with her anyway. But Ms. Fulmer, she's straight up, hey, I'm not playing here. Don't mess with my client. Don't play with my client, Judge. I'm telling you now. All right, ma'am, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
No, I don't. I understand now that you're telling me.
Okay, that's what I want to let you know. Do you understand you have a right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what I just stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, ma'am, let me draw your attention back to April the 23rd, 2021 at around 12:28 p.m. in the city of Detroit, the area of James Cousin and Puritan, ma'am. Well, I don't know. On that date and time, around that date and time, did you allow somebody, driver was Destiny Lion, email and number unavailable? Do you know a Destiny Lion?
Yes.
All right. And on that date and time, did you allow this other Miss Lyon to drive a 2015 Chrysler?
Actually, I thought this was about my son being in my car, but
What is it? I don't know if it's Disdain. What Destane?
No, you said it right, Your Honor. It is Destiny Lions. Destiny Lion.
Right. That's a relative of yours. Is that a relative or how is that person related?
That's my daughter.
Okay.
She is my daughter, Your Honor.
Okay. So did you allow her on that day to drive this vehicle?
I actually didn't even know she had the vehicle. I thought this was pertaining to maybe my son, but now that you're telling me this, I mean, nope, I didn't know she drove my car at all. I was so confused when I got the ticket in the mail. I actually thought it was about my son who had been sleeping in my car because we were homeless. But now that I understand this, my daughter didn't got a ticket. She drove my car and never told me.
Do you have insurance?
Yeah, I thought this was something.
Do you have insurance on this vehicle, ma'am?
I have insurance on my vehicle now. Yes, sir, I do, Your Honor.
Do you can you provide us with proof of that?
Yeah, can you hold while
Sure.
I get the documentation?
Certainly.
Okay.
All right, who's gonna be next? You talk about me. Well, we nothing go to the motions. There's a method to my madness.
It's a method to mine.
I don't know. Sometimes I can't figure out, but that's for Miss Fulmer to figure out. All right, let's look at
Honor?
yes.
Okay.
If you hold that up,
You want the policy?
hold that up so we can see that.
I don't know. Where's the policy number?
I'm not seeing that. Let's see. Progressive. No, it's Progressive, and that is for what type of vehicle?
That is for the Chrysler 2015 200.
And when is the expiration date?
The expiration date for that would be in January of actually I think it's February 2022.
All right, so does your daughter have a driver's license?
No.
All right, tell your daughter to stay away from your vehicle. You're in charge of making sure that you're responsible for the vehicle. So anything that happens as it relates to the vehicle, an accident or anything, you're gonna be held responsible for. You could, let's say, potentially held responsible for it. So you need to make sure that you got your vehicle secured so nobody can get that vehicle. We're gonna dismiss these matters this time, ma'am, but you have to secure your vehicle. All right?
Thank you
All
so
right.
very much, Your Honor.
Thank you so much. Thank you very, very much.
Okay, Your Honor.
All right, have a great day, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, sir. You have a great day as well. Thank you, Judge, and Counselor. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Have a good day, ma'am. Be safe and healthy.
John Christopher Goodall. You have to unmute yourself,
Yes,
I believe.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. How you doing,
Do you have
John?
registration?
Huh?
Do you have registration?
Yeah, I have registrations right here.
Let me see it. Is that what? Put it up there closer. All right, that is for, back it up just a little bit. Back it up. All right, let it come back into focus. Chevrolet. Push it up a little closer. Push it forward. 343, I think.
Yeah.
What kind of Chevrolet is it?
2017.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus John Christopher Goodall, case number SP 1191645. Appearance for the record, please.
Allison Palmer, appearing on behalf of Mr. Goodall. Please state your name for the record, sir.
My name is John Goodall.
All right. I'm going to dismiss the case and provide valid documentation.
Okay.
Sir, you need to pay this $45 reinstatement fee.
Huh?
For, hold on a second, let me make sure this is you. 389. No, that's not you. All right, valid docs, I'm sorry.
That's all
All
right.
right, have a good day, sir. If you don't have any further questions.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Go ahead, stay up there.
Okay.
You're free to leave.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Lamb. You're welcome. We'll see you up there. All right, Ms. D'Amica Lamb.
Yes, sir.
Good
Hello?
afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
All right. This is another allowing. This is the city of Detroit versus D'Amica Nicole Lamb, SP 1130863, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Allison Palmer, P60236, appearing on behalf of Ms. Lamb. Please state your name for the record, ma'am.
Yes, D'Amica Nicole Lamb.
All right, Ms. Lamb, do you have insurance on your vehicle?
Well, they just expired on the 10th. I didn't have them on me at the time, so he gave me a ticket.
All right, did you have insurance at that time?
Yes, it just expired on the 10th, sir.
Can you provide that proof of that?
Yes.
I can't see you. You're on the phone.
I know. I was trying to put it on. I put the number in, and it didn't let me. I'm trying to put. I can't see you. I don't know what I'm doing wrong.
Type the number in. Do you have a smartphone?
No, I have I have a smartphone.
So you can't go to the Zoom and go to Zoom and join a meeting? My meeting ID is 360-434-0000.
Okay, let me put it in now.
All right, I'm gonna pass this until you can get us proof of that insurance, all right?
Okay. In the car, babe. Get it out. I can put it.
What is this for? Lions? Didn't we let her go?
Is that the same thing? I didn't see that. That has a warrant on it.
The doves?
That's the same lady, this her.
Looks to be the same lady. Yes. I didn't see that when I pulled her up. We need to get, is there any, I wonder if there's any kind of way, I guess there's no kind of way that we can get Ms. Lyons back in here, is it?
No.
I can't come up and begin.
Those wipers, Your Honor,
Whose windshield wipers are those? All right, see if we can get a number for Ms. Lyons. I would go like this. Got a pretty.
Ms. Fomar, wipers on?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, what's the join me and?
Find this number. Find this number here.
And I got this number in. Okay, is this it?
No, that's not it.
Okay, hello?
5032. I need you to zoom in, ma'am. I need you to zoom in.
I need the ID. I need the ID number.
Hey, 360-434-0000. 360-434-0000.
Okay. Run it.
I was on the phone this late.
Look up here. It ain't in the car.
Yeah, I have the number you need for Mrs.
Lyons.
Yeah.
See if the number works for her. Tell her to zoom back in.
I'm in now.
No, you're not. D'Amica? Oh, yes, you are. You can,
I'm on, sir.
all right, very well. Is that you with the hood on your head?
Yeah, oh, yes,
All right, so let's see that insurance.
okay. Cut that light on, Mike. Yeah, I did. I took it off the car since I had put it. Here, oh, here you go. I'm sorry. Here you go, sir.
Let's see. Lamb, we're back on the record with D'Amica Nicole Lamb. I can't see that good. All right, push it up closer, please. And, when is that? And let me see what that, I want to see the vehicle.
Oh, the vehicle is right.
What kind of vehicle is this too?
This for a Ram right here. For a Ram.
Let's see the date.
The date is right here.
And what's that date?
10/10/21.
10/10/20. Now, what are you? Do you still have that Ram?
Huh?
Do you still have that vehicle?
Yes, I still have it, sir.
So you need to get some insurance on that vehicle.
Yes, I'm unemployed right now from Ford, so I was gonna go get no card on it through Ellis. I have to point it wrong.
You lost a job at Ford?
No, I'm off from Ford.
You still getting or did you just start? How long have you been there?
I'm a temp.
Oh, okay. See,
I've been there since July of last year.
See, I put 25, 26 years in at Ford, so I was gonna see if you were telling me the truth about that. All right.
Oh yeah,
Let's dismiss the cases this time, ma'am. We're gonna dismiss the cases. Let me make sure that I have everything, so you don't get messed up like Mrs. Lyons did.
Thank you, sir, because I'm licensed to carry and I can't afford no tickets. I'm trying to keep my record together. Thank you, I appreciate it.
So somebody was driving this vehicle. I'll tell you, just like I told, Ms. Lyons, that you're responsible for this vehicle. And you need to make sure that you don't give the keys over to anybody that doesn't have a driver's license, or you're gonna be ended up in the same situation as you are now.
Yes.
So.
Yes, sir.
You need to make sure that you're responsible in that regard, and then if something happened and they get into an accident or something, you could be potentially liable. So you just don't let your keys out to anybody, and if somebody's picking them up, then you need to make sure that they're secure. I'm gonna waive the warrant fees.
Thank you, sir.
I don't see any reinstatement fees. If it's nothing further, ma'am, you have a great day.
You too. Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right.
All right. And I have court
Thank you, Anna.
tomorrow. Did you see that when they told me to bring that one up to you too? So just zoom in tomorrow for it.
No, I think you should be fine. Let's see.
They told me to bring it up because I said I got to come down there twice. She said, no, just let the judge know you got 2 court dates when you go to the 25th. When I went to the clerk front desk downstairs. Oh, that might be the one you brought up. I don't know. I was just making
Can you run her name and make sure that we have all the stuff for her?
Taylor?
No, Lamb, D'Amica, Nicole Lamb.
I gotta get back to work. I can't afford no tickets, man. Man, they can't drive my car. Yeah, he did. That's why I told you I can't afford no tickets, man.
This is 2 counts of allowance. This is 2 counts. This is twice.
It was twice for no insurance.
No, for allowing an unlicensed driver to drive.
Yeah, it was my son that got caught driving my truck. I let him use it for graduation when he graduated.
All right, so now
The police gave me
you're admitting guilt, and you knew he didn't have a driver's license.
No, he have a license now. He didn't have it at the time. He got it now.
He didn't have it at the time, so you're letting your son drive your truck with no driver's license, and you know he doesn't have a driver's license.
Yeah, he didn't have it then, but he got it now.
So you need to be chauffeuring him around. I know it, for him it's not cool getting chauffeured around with his mom to his stuff, but he's getting you in trouble. And you're getting yourself in trouble. Why isn't this showing up as another ticket? Oh, I see. It's two tickets.
They spelling her name incorrect, maybe Demien, then Demika.
No, it's Demika, D'Amica
I know,
Lane.
ma'am. They
All right,
spelling it
hold on
wrong.
a second, man.
See how they do in the system? Demien. They got a name, her middle name spelled.
Let me see. D-E.
In the code.
Yeah, they doing this all different.
So it's 2 tickets, no insurance misdemeanor, and all right, I'm not gonna all right, so here. Wait a minute.
We have license now, Your Honor. I won't let nobody else drive.
But the damage is already done.
Yes, I know. I apologize. I won't let nobody else drive. I promise.
Let's see this. Well, you shouldn't be driving either. I have the insurance. I still don't see. I'm still, hold on, man. Don't speak, please, all right?
I'm gonna show you how they got it.
I put in DEMIEN, and nothing, and only 2 tickets came up that were closed. All right, this is, is it another no insurance or
No,
just this
that's the
one?
same. I did his driver's license and just something.
All right, this is City of Detroit versus, I'm gonna put it in, I'll type it up real quick. 217 3 1 2 3 1. All right, when did he get a license?
Huh?
When did he get a license?
He just got his license. When did he get him paid? It was right out. I think when was that ticket that he got the ticket?
When did he get a license?
It was this year.
When?
I think it was like in July. I'll have to ask him. I think it was in like July.
All right, let me see. What are we gonna do? I've already dismissed 2 tickets for her. And then we just found out she has another allowing. So 2 allowings and 1 no insurance misdemeanor. She showed proof that she had insurance at the time of the incident. And she did indicate to the court that she's not working now. What do you want to do? Ms. Fulmer, do you want to, the city attorney wants her to plead to 1 count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. $240 fine, I'll dismiss immediately upon payment.
Okay.
Or you can do something.
He said 240.
Yeah, or you can take the matter to trial and set a trial date up, and they would have to prove you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You can talk to Ms. Fulmer. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with her, and you can confess all your sins with her.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, let's move on to Mrs. Taylor, Goodman and Taylor. Okay, where are we out? Where are we out with Missoula?
So they said basically, I wrote it down. You have to take a plea. You have to give him a sentencing date. In the interim, we have to have him go to the probation department to do a PSI report. And then on the 17th date, we'll have the report. And then at that point, they refer him to drug treatment. Yeah.
So it won't be our case anymore after he gets referred. So he has to take a plea here today.
Yes.
Ms. Gazuli, are you there? I don't believe so. I believe they left.
Yeah, I promise.
Your Honor, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, I don't know why she can't hear me. Let me go back in. I just wanted to test it.
What happened to Gazuli?
I see you, but I don't hear you. I can't hear you.
I'm not talking to you. You know, what happens is I understand what's wrong. Here, I'm gonna put you, I know what's wrong.
Just say I need to leave.
You know what's wrong, Ms. Farmer. Go ahead back in that room.
Pardon me, Your Honor?
Go ahead back in the room. You should hear her now.
Okay.
All right. Another allowing, Ms. Goodman Taylor. Another no insurance. Ms. Goodman Taylor, do you have insurance on this vehicle?
No, I don't.
Did you have insurance at the time?
No, that's just my second car that I don't use.
Do you have insurance on another vehicle?
Yes.
Can you prove?
I will have to go run to my car.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Get the Zule on the line. Why would she hang up?
Okay.
And then I have another number I have a couple other numbers for what you call 313-368-4563. That's a landline. There's another number 313-922-1027. That's a landline. And there's another wireless number 313-996-9706. That's where this line is. All right. All right, Leighton. Good afternoon, ma'am. You have to unmute yourself. Let's clear some of these other matters up first.
Your Honor, can we do a delayed sentence or a dismissal upon payment for Ms. Lamb? Did you say that you were dismissing?
I was gonna do that anyway.
Okay. All right, thank you.
Your Honor, I have it. Your Honor, I have my license, my insurance.
All right, hold up. When does that expire?
This expired April 17, 2022.
Is that other car operable, ma'am?
Okay, Your Honor.
Hold on a second, Ms. Palmer. Is that other car operable? The 2016 Dodge?
Is it drivable?
Yes.
Yes, but there's no insurance on it.
All right, well, you need to get insurance on that car.
Yeah, it wasn't supposed to be driven.
All right. Listen, this is the only time I'm gonna do this, ma'am.
Okay.
All right? Gonna be like Mrs. Lamb down there having to pay some money. I'm gonna dismiss both of the matters. I'm gonna accept that as valid documentation for the insurance.
Okay, thank you.
So you need to get that car insured. Will you stipulate the probable cause, counselor, for I called Mrs. Goodman Taylor. Did I call the case?
No.
No, Your Honor.
All right, let's call the case right quick. This is the city of Detroit versus Shanice Goodman Taylor, case number SB 1194275, counts 1 and counts 2. I have Ms. Goodman Taylor has provided documentation of current insurance on a vehicle. So I'm going to dismiss both the matters. Please don't allow people to drive your vehicle that don't have a driver's license, if that is the case, ma'am, all right?
Okay, thank you.
I'll do this again, all right?
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a great day.
You too.
All right.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Let's get back to the record with Mrs. Tamika Nicole Lamb. And I'm giving you an opportunity, Ms. Lamb, to speak with counsel in the breakout room. And so what do you want? What does your client want to do? Does she want to take the offer? I'll give her a $240 fine. I'll dismiss immediately upon payment of the fine.
She wishes to avail herself of that offer, Your Honor.
All right, is that the case, Ms. Lamb? All right, so here, her problem is this. signed in on 2 devices, so. Now, Mrs. Lamb, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room regarding this other case. Mr. Layton, you're gonna have to pull that vehicle over. I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel regarding the other allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I told you I would give you, allow you to plead guilty to this and fine you $240. I'll dismiss the case immediately upon payment. Or you can set a trial date up. What would you like to do, ma'am? A lot of times, people, I will concede that it's difficult to prove a case like this. The people have the complete burden of proving you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. So, you know, it would have to be specific facts and circumstances that would have to be met in order to find them guilty in that. And a lot of times it's hard for the people to do that. But in this case, I don't know. I can give you a trial date. You can see if you can win at trial date. If you can't win, you're not going to do any worse than you're going to do today. What would you like to do? But with all that being said, or would you like to speak with Ms. Fulmer again so she can break it down to you?
Your Honor, are we talking about Ms. Lamb?
Ms. Lamb.
She wants to avail herself of the $240 payment dismissal upon payment, Your Honor. Is that what the court indicated?
And the court just said a whole lot of other stuff to see if she wanted to. I said she could get a trial date. I said she can't do any worse at trial than she is today. She can only do better.
She doesn't. She wants to resolve it today, Your Honor.
Is that your understanding, Ms. Lamb?
That's fine.
No, it's not. You don't want to.
It's not. I don't have the money.
Take it to trial. Take it to trial.
Okay, Your Honor, make it a
take
trial. Now they're totally confused. Your Honor, the law presumes.
It's simple.
Give her a trial date, Your Honor.
Give you a trial date. I'm gonna give you a trial date. You have nothing to lose. You only have something to gain, okay? All right, I'm gonna give you a trial date, January 31st, 2022 at 9 a.m. All right?
Thank you.
All you gotta do is zoom in at 9 a.m. You understand where I'm coming from. The same offer will be available to you on that date. So if you get found guilty on that date, save up to $240 then, and then we'll still dismiss the case. But if the officer doesn't show up, or if the officer can't prove that you actually let somebody drive this car, and you knew that person didn't have a license, if he can't prove that or she can't prove that, then the case will get dismissed that way too. All right?
Okay. Yeah.
All right. And you don't have anything to worry about because this is all pending. No finding of guilt or anything has been entered into. So it's just an allegation. All right?
Yes, I appreciate you, Judge.
All right. Very well, ma'am. Have a great day. I'm dismissing the other 2 cases too. I'll put that in there. Trial date on, let me make sure I got the file right for Ms. Nash.
Okay. Yeah, please make sure they got my spelling on my name right.
Well, I have it under the ticket number, so we have it right.
Okay. Thank
All
you,
right.
sir.
Very well. Have a great day, ma'am.
You too, sir.
All right.
Thank you, Jesus.
All right.
Thank
So
you, Lord. Thank you.
where is Ms. Goodman? We let her go as well. All these allowing. All right, let's take care of Ms. Layton. All right. All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Rachel Lakeita Layton, case numbers 17-350-353, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Allison Palmer, BP 60236, appearing on behalf of Layton.
All right. So, Ms. Layton, I see you paid a related civil infraction as it relates to this case.
Yes.
1 to 5 over. Do you have insurance now?
Yes.
All right. Can you produce that? And you probably don't have a driver's license, but you're sitting in the driver's seat of a car while you're in court, driving without a license.
Yep. Been trying. I don't even know where this ticket even came from, actually. I don't even know where this street is even at.
But you know you don't have a license, though, or do you?
Well, no, I don't. That's what I'm trying to work on. That's why I paid my tickets off, and then this popped up out the blue.
But since you know that, wouldn't it make sense for you not to zoom in the court while driving?
Yes. I'm trying to find it.
Now, what is this for this 2008 Nissan?
That's what I say. I never owned a 2008 Nissan. That's what I'm saying. I don't even know where this ticket came about. I was never on that street.
But the thing is, you don't necessarily have to own this car. This is on a ticket, Joy Road and Penrod Street on August 14th, 2017. Do you recall?
No. I never owned that car, never been in that car. I don't even know nobody that drive a Nissan. That's why I was a little confused where this came from.
And what's your date of birth?
7284.
Quite some time ago. Can we get her a trial date very soon?
We out for the police officers to.
Let's see, the date would be November 15th.
November 15th?
Come back on November 15th, 2020 at 9 a.m.
Okay.
You need to park that car and get on the bus or tell somebody else with a license to drive you around.
Okay.
9 a.m. That's the quickest I can get you in here. And you indicated that you don't know anything about this, so I'm gonna give you a trial date and we'll figure it out on that date. All right?
Okay. Okay.
Let's do this. Ms. Fulmer, I'm gonna allow her to pay the reinstatement fees up front. I see two $5 reinstatement fees. So I'm going to allow you to pay those reinstatement fees up front, ma'am. You go pay those $45. I would come down to the court and bring $90 and pay the reinstatement fees up front. That way you can go back and approach the Secretary of State for a license.
Right. Okay, yes. That's what I want. Yes.
All right. That way you don't have to sit out there because I know you're not going to stop driving. Pay reinstatement fees up front.
So I come down to 36th District and pay it?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, can we put that in the computer for her?
Yes, ma'am.
And then you still got the November 15th trial date. Come back in here, bring a license back in here too, all right?
Yes, yes.
All right, have a great day, ma'am. See you in a couple.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
All right. Ms. Gazule, I don't know what happened to you guys.
I apologize, Your Honor. I thought we were finished.
Well, we didn't get a date. We didn't get any resolution. I don't know how that got misunderstood. All right. So here's the deal. He can take it to trial. He has a right to go to trial, or he can enter into this plea. We're going to get a pre-sentence report. Probation, he'll contact probation, get a pre-sentence report. Once that's drafted, he'll come back in here on sentencing day, and then we'll transfer him over to drug treatment court. Is he there?
No, he had to go back to work.
Yeah, we're back on the record with Mr. Alkeem Gazule, sorry. Well, I don't understand how that got misinterpreted.
Yeah, I apologize, Your Honor. That was my doing.
I'm just gonna chalk it up to the frustration that you may be having with your brother.
Yeah, that has a lot to do with it, yep.
So he's gonna have to come back. That's what he's gonna have to do. So when can you come back? Unless he's prepared, if he wants a trial date, I can give him a trial date. If he's prepared to take this deal, let's get him back. I'll get you in as soon as, when can you get him back?
I don't know if he can come back today.
Well, he's not gonna come back today because we're about to be out of here.
Yeah, I can do the next couple days if your docket permits. But I believe he wants to accept the plea. I can do tomorrow afternoon, Wednesday afternoon. I'm sorry?
Well, tomorrow afternoon is, we can do tomorrow afternoon, can't we, Ms. Nash?
I can.
Yeah, we can do tomorrow afternoon. We'll call this another pretrial for October the 26th at 1:30 p.m. 1:30 p.m.
Okay.
Or, see, you can't do it Wednesday morning. Thursday morning?
I can do Thursday morning.
Yeah, let's do Thursday morning,
Okay.
just so that we're clear. I don't know how much is going on. October the 28th at 8:30 a.m. We'll call that a free trial.
Okay. Thank you so
All right.
much. And I apologize for the confusion on my part.
No, that's fine. I mean, I told you, you just don't know what people are out here doing. I mean, of course, you wanna hope and pray that your brother doesn't have this issue, but I don't know, apparently he may. And if he's willing to get help, then he do, but that's gonna be up to him. There's nothing more you can do. You're here and you're on his side. So that's pretty much all that's gonna happen here. So, all right, Ms. Gazule, we'll see you back on the 28th of October at 8:30 a.m.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Have a great day.
You too. Thank you.
All right, it seems like that'll do it for this afternoon, everyone.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, have a great day, Ms. Palmer. I'll see you later. And
You as well. Be
Thank you,
safe
Ms.
and healthy. You and
You
all.
as well.